P has significantly mismanaged the energy sector. They kept the lights on by accruing a debt.
Welcome to today's session of the Political Ranch with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Now, you see, I say penny one sim. Everybody will have a fair idea or some idea of what John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency's presidency was like. That notwithstanding, the people in NDC, they have managed to rebrand John Dramani Mahama and make him look like the Jesus Christ of Ghanaian politics. Jesus Christ in the sense, John Dramani Mahama being the savior of Ghana politics. Onu na baba yiye free ya man ye nyina mu. Onu na ye ajinkwa. They say no free John Mahama, His Excellency Ajinkwa Mahama, his Mahama Dramani. Now, aba I got 2 years. 3 weeks by. We have not even sworn in His Excellency John Mahama yet. Talk of maybe he facing any difficulty yet. Obi awa campaign say na nyama kono enye enti onu na owo alternative no onu na owo solutions no na ya to abama ne wi a afa de adena bedani excuse a ton when say Guinness World Book of Records no sing-a-thon, speech-a-thon, cook-a-thon inama. They say there the new word and a new challenge in the Guinness World Record. They say the challenge for the most excuses given by an elected president in the world. The most excuses given by an elected president in the world. As the same that award no is that award has been taken by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and he is the current world record holder for the excusathon. Now, Nana Akufo-Addo, Bayer 8 years ni, has been able to keep our light on. Our light has been on. Even somewhere last year or 2 years ago, I can't remember, when we had some disruption for about a month, 2 months, we were very much uncomfortable. And Napo came out to say, within a certain deadline, he will have solved it. And he solved it. He solved it perfectly. And our lives have been going on. Afi, there's a news item. And this is by John Dramani Mahama. See, NPP has significantly mismanaged the energy sector. They kept the light on by accruing debt. So far, we've audited $2.5 billion in arrears. Okay, Mr. Mahama, His Excellency. And so what? And so what? That is why we voted for you. Because you told us the people were not doing the right thing. That's what you told us. You told us to send the elephant back into the bush. Because the elephant, as it was not managing our economic affairs very well. Now, if Sobe Dika 2.5 billion, and in the midst of a car or our light are still on. Now also Uber, just keep the light on. How was the person you are coming to take over from able to keep the light on, though he was owing? That is what you are supposed to learn. If something has worked for somebody, you also learn the same thing to work for you. Is that not the case? The formula has worked for Akufo-Addo. He is owing, yet he has been able to keep the light on. John Mahama is coming. What do? Oh, you ask Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo, how were you able to do it? He tells you, and then you also do what? You also do the same thing, apply the same principle, and you get the same result. It's as simple as ABCD. Now we are catch there, that there is a debt, Now, what are we supposed to do with it? Are we supposed to do a fundraising? And I say raising funds. Obiang contributed 10 cedis to pay the debt in the energy sector. No, come forward, like tell us, be straightforward. Who are semi catch ya? Tell us. If it is that you want to bring Dumso back, just because you want to pay debt in the energy sector, tell us. Say it. Be a man. Say it. Because as it stands now, there's no way we can go back to JDM and say we should do the election all over again. And I know, say, if that opportunity was there, say we will go back to the polls and vote again. I believe with everything in me, I believe, say, nobody, NDC won't even get 35%. If you should do a re-election today, NDC won't get 35%.
P has significantly mismanaged the energy sector. They kept the lights on by accruing a debt. Hey, necessary prepaid na lights in a total scan off and ECG full scan off. Hey, abandonment to no full. Jin means abandonment to no full. Na men some of the pay kicking. Oh yeah, but debt. Obi on my debts na be one question na you motion na one debt. Me uncle sister generator wa buying. I mean some of the people kicking.
So people on social media have been talking and they've been saying quite a lot. Let's see the comments. Pazo says that Massa, we the swing voters no vote for this. Oh, you try we go promote you. That's from Pazo. The CEO G says that is why they are out and you are in. So fix it. We are not ready for the blame game. Not at all. This one is from Osei Mitch. Hey, you are not yet sworn in, but you have started complaining. This even tells you can't deliver. This is from Chebe Heglam. So Dumso is coming back? Equate 32094 says, you start your thing again, right? 4 years will soon end. Tanti G says, please, the same way they did for us to get constant light, use that same way. No stories. Kind of. Is Dumso coming back? What is John Mahama trying, His Excellency trying to say? Is he trying to prepare our mind towards what is to come? Remember, Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, inherited one of the heaviest debts in the energy sector when he assumed office in 2017. In fact, in 2019, Joe Jackson, who is I think the current CEO of Dallas Finance, said, one of the things that is crippling the government of Akufo-Addo is a heavy debt that John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, left in the energy sector. That is what is crippling Akufo-Addo's government. You remember there was a time we were paying for excess capacity of $1 billion every year. And Akufo-Addo government, Akufo-Addo Bawumia government was able to navigate through all these difficulties for us to still have light in abundance from ECG or NEDCO or wherever. So John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, and the NDC, who are going to form the next government, they have absolutely no excuse. No excuse not to keep our light on. No excuse whatsoever. So please, Mr. President incoming, we know the problem. Instead of telling us the problem, what are your solutions? We voted for a leader because of solutions. We did not vote for a leader who come and tell us what the problems are. We know what the problems are. The problem is that there are generation issues. And that is why somebody was given an alternative of building 2,000 megawatts of solar plant, solar energy. Ghanaians said they didn't want that one. They wanted reset. And they voted for you. So, Mr. President incoming, however, whichever way you would go through or you will pass to ensure that we have our light, please do. Enough of the excuse are done. Enough of the excuse are done. Or the complaint are done. Enough. This has been a political rant with P, the voice right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, cheers. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.